DirectFix.com presents
the iPhone 4 Home Button Replacement Guide. Be sure to check us out on the web at directfix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
In order to replace the home button, you need to remove the screen. Please refer to our iPhone 4 screen replacement video for instructions on how to do that. With the screen removed, we can now replace the home button. Like the iPhone 4 screen, the home button's ribbon travels through the frame of the phone. Use your case opener tool to release the ribbon connector. Carefully peel off the home button ribbon cable module from the home button key. Your replacement button module will have a small bit of adhesive on the back. This is what is used to attach it to the key. Slide the ribbon through the frame and attach to the connector. Please be sure to check our website, directfix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.